Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Hey, it's 60BaeGrey, the real drip. We back with another video, guys. What's up, fam? What's up, gang gang? Hey, what's happening? Hey, today we got a nice little video, boy. Trying to say 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Hey, you know what? I'm just trying to catch a vibe. Ain't no trying to catch a vibe. I don't cut the vibe like 60BaeGrey, the real drip. I got the drip on, you know, you feel me? Got my beads, got my watches. 60BaeGrey, no cap. 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. All right, guys. I'm sitting in this car. It's kind of hot. It's kind of muggy today. But I got some content for you guys. And this is... I'm going to be doing like a series of vehicle updates, and I got a couple of car modifications that I'm going to do for you guys. But so in this video, we're going to be doing a little bit of moving in and out of the car, but I want to just have you see the real drip on the inside of the car, no cap. All right. So, excuse me. So, anyway, we're going to be talking about the brake pads on my car. So I have the 2023 C8 HTC Z51 package. All right, I know that sounds like, well, you know, you got the C8 2023 HTC Z51 package. You know, it sounds something like scientific. It sounds like Greek or some type of, you know, military code. Pull out the Z51. Then, you know, with the HTC, with the C8 2023. No. All it is a 2023. That's the year. HTC is hardtop convertible. Okay, that's what I'm vibing with. 60BaeGrey, the real drip. No cap. Okay, yeah, and then the Z51 package is a racing package, and I did a video on why I ended up getting the Z51 package. But now, with the Z51 package, one of the things that comes with the car, which is totally different from the non-Z51 package, are the brake pads, okay? And there's a lot of brake dust that comes with it. So let me vibe with you guys for a second. Let me just show you what I'm on right now. I'm going to show you how many miles I put on the car. Okay. And well, I don't have to show you. I'll just tell you right now I have 434 miles on the car. All right. So what we're going to be looking at is the brake dust from 434 miles. Okay. So then what also I'm going to do is make an attempt to try to clean it. And have you see what I have to go through to clean it. So I'm gonna get out the car and I'm gonna set it up. I would keep you guys with me, but you know, we're gonna take a small intermission break so I can get it all set up for you guys. Yeah, 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Hey fam, comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hey, if you post notifications white, that ain't right. Post notifications black, it's supposed to be like that, no cap. Turn that bell. When you click that bell, you smash that joint. Well, I mean, that's your phone. So just, all you do is touch it, pop. And then when it turns black, that means you're going to receive all the notifications. So when you subscribe, that's just the first step. The second step is you press that bell, bing, bing, and then it turns black or a dark gray color. All right? So 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Hey, I'm not out, but hey, we're gonna pause right quick. I'll be right back in YouTube second. You feel me? Hey, you feel me? Okay, guys, it's 60BaeGrey, the real drip. What I'm trying to tell y'all, we back out of here. We outside, as you can see. We outside of the vehicle, and you see that drip right there? See that drip? Yeah. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna show you guys the brake dust and what it looks like. So let's go ahead and flip the camera around so you can see. Now check this out. All right. Look at that brake dust there. And the streaks. I think it rained a little bit. But anyway, you can see the streaks. No, somebody tried to wash the car. I had to take the car to the dealer. and they washed it for me. So that's the internal wheel well. And that wheel well, my God, let me just show you something real quick. All right, so this stick right here is what I use to wash my cars with. I'm gonna show you how deep the wheel well is on this car. So I did not know that it was that deep, and I should use a ruler, but this is for you guys so you understand what the brake dust looks like and how much of the rim you're gonna. All right, so we're gonna. All right, guys, no jokes. All right, so we're gonna slide it in. What? And to the end. Hopefully you can see it all the way to the end. Let me just do it right here, so you can see how far it goes back. So I'm gonna put my hand right here. So it's about, let's see here. It looks like it's about a foot. It's about 12 inches. Cleaning on both sides we're gonna have to do. So we're gonna make an attempt to clean it and get it shined up for you guys. So this is 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. Hey, I don't know why when I'm filming somebody's trying to call me. This is crazy. I hope I hope it filmed. But anyway, we're gonna make an attempt to clean. Okay, we got everything all set up. We're gonna put the timer on. We're gonna see how long it's gonna take to clean this one tire back here with regular water hose. And then we're gonna do the other one with the power washer. All right, so start the clock now. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. You know 60BaeGrey got that real drip, no cap, no cap, no cap. Step back, step back, step, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap, no cap. All you guys, all cap, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. All right, it looks like it's about 10 minutes and 45 seconds. Woo! Hey, let's look at these results in real time, like right now. Okay, we're gonna. So you can see it. All right, this is one of the complaints that you guys had that I was aware of, but not aware of. Only by what you. A lot of times, excuse me, I will watch videos and I see the comments and I hear different things. So I like to put it to the test. I let the experts tell me what it is, and then I go perform the task they're asking or saying to do. So anyway, we just washed the rim and the wheel well, and you can see how deep it is. It's clean, but we got the rust. That's the problem. So I ain't gonna lie. Not to say that I do, but I'm not gonna exaggerate. It's hot than a bug out here. I'm sweating. So I was that 11 minutes it took me to clean that. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave the power washer there. I'm not going to set anything else up. But I did promise you guys I would do with the power washer, but maybe I'll do it in another video, man. But it is hot out here, no cap. So let me just go ahead and flip it around, have you watch it. Let me just flip it around. Okay. Now I can hold the camera like how I want to. Oh, I still can't. Can't put my fingers in the way. All right. I'm still trying to work out my camera issue. I'm using my phone right now. I got to learn how to use this new camera that I brought. But anyway, you see what I'm working with? We're going to have to get the dustless brake pads. So, you know, I'm thinking about these right here, okay? The brake pads that I'm thinking about getting them right there. So I'm going to put it up right there. And y'all can comment down in the section below if these are good brake pads or not. But definitely the type of rims. Now these are the factory rims, okay? The factory rims, these things are deep. And you can see, oh shoot, these are factory rims. And these are factory rims, okay? All right. So with the factory rims, you can see all the way through, and there's a lot to clean. So that's it for this video. And again, sorry about my fingers in the way, but anyway, you got the bulk of the video, and I need me a towel or something to wipe off because the back of my head is soaking wet, and I might have to figure out how I'm gonna clean the rest of these tires. So, but anyway, I got one tire in for you. It's a epic success, but at the end of the day, it is what y'all said it was. That you got the rusted rotors. So it's 60BaeGrey, the real drip, okay? Hey, 60BaeGrey, the real drip. We're gonna come back at you with another video, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish washing these rims up for today. Got some new content coming up for you guys, so a couple of surprises. So thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, thanks guys, appreciate you.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. You know 60BaeGrey got that real drip, no cap, no cap, no cap. Step back, step back, step, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap, no cap. All you guys, all cap, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip and the sexy lane. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun.